Next chapter is about pharmacodynamics. Pharmacodynamics is what the drug does to the body. It relates to the drugs binding to the receptors and their effects. In pharmacodynamics, we also study the mechanism of drug action and the side effect. So first we will go with some definitions. The first definition is agonist. A drug is called an agonist when binding to the receptor results in a response. Antagonist. A drug is called an antagonist when binding to the receptor is not associated with response. So, when the response is generated, it will be called agonist, and when there will be no response, it will be called antagonist. The drug has an effect only by preventing an agonist from binding to the receptor. So, antagonists act by preventing an agonist binding. Next term is affinity. Affinity is the ability of any drug to bind to the receptors shown by the proximity of curve to the y-axis. If the curves are parallel, it means that if the nearer the y-axis, the greater the affinity. Potency. Potency shows relative doses of two or more agonists to produce the same magnitude of effect. So we will concentrate on same magnitude of effect, again shown by the proximity of respective curves to the y-axis if the curves do not cross. So proximity of the curves to the y-axis means the curves nearer to the y-axis. What is efficacy? Efficacy is a measure of how well a drug produces a response or effectiveness shown by the maximal height reached by the curve. So you can interpret these terms from the graph also. If there is maximum height, then you will say that it has maximum efficacy. If the curves are near to the y-axis, then they have more potency or they have more affinity. So till now we have discussed many terms that are agonist, antagonist, affinity, potency and efficacy. Agonist can further be divided into other types that will be full agonists, partial agonists. We will discuss them later on. We can also relate these terms with the biochemistry terms. In biochemistry, Kd denotes that 50% of the drug that binds to the receptors, so it is related with affinity. Km is enzymatic activity and efficacy can be related with V maximum.